The mission of Yağmur Motor Incorporated Company is to meet the needs for power and movement of the society and to improve their life standards. The company has gained an important place in the industry by achieving the success of producing engines, agricultural machines and power products in nearly 55 years. Yağmur Motor Incorporated Company has a high production potential with its advanced technology CNC machines. The company has the capability of machining critical parts such as engine crankcase, cylinder head and crankshaft within its own production facility. The company has an annual production capacity of 16,000 diesel engines. Engine tests are carried out within R&D center in order to perform life and performance tests. Yağmur Motor Incorporated Company expands its role in international markets sharply by exporting its advanced technology products worldwide. Thorq TDRF Diesel Engine Series, Thorq Advantage in its class. Thorq TDF Diesel Engine Series, the unchanging power of these lanes. Thorq TDF Diesel Engine Series 2-cylinder, the most stable solution for more power. Thorq TG Gasoline Engine Series, the lightest and most enjoyable way of reaching high power. Yağmur Motor Incorporated Company is a key business partner in power, mobility and infrastructure. Thorq diesel and gasoline engines have a wide usage area. Agricultural equipment, irrigation solutions, industrial applications, light constructions, generators, marine applications. Yağmur Motor Incorporated Company since 1966.